Slottdalsskrevan, a dramatic gorge cradle to the rock. This incredible formation, about 200 meters long, 30 meters deep and 7 meters wide, is a true natural wonder that famously featured in the movie Ronja Rövardotter. But our adventure doesn't stop here. From Slottdalsskrevan we continue our hike up Slottdalsberget, a nearby mountain that rewards us with panoramic views over the park and the shimmering Baltic Sea. Skuleskogens Natural Park is a place where nature truly takes your breath away. From dense forest to dramatic cliffs and wide open views, it's an unforgettable part of Höga Kusten.